What's up, beautiful? Welcome back to the channel. It's me here, Ari. You guys, today is kind of special. I've been invited to participate in the Scent Sisters Summer Soiree 2024. I think I said that right. You guys, you know what? Ever since I started YouTube, it's going on 3 years now. I felt alone, it's like I watch a lot of other beautiful YouTubers videos, but I don't personally know them. And the fact that Vania McKell and Loso Natural reached out to me and asked me to be a part of this, I am so touched. And I just want to thank you guys for even considering me. I just love that. And it makes me feel not so alone, to actually get to know some of my other scent sisters. We all love fragrance. We all love talking about it. You're probably going to love them. They're all amazing. And you guys, I'm just so excited. I have got my package. And look, okay, I'm so excited. I've already peeked into it. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to lie. I didn't open everything, but I peeked into it, y'all. And when I tell you, my box is packed out. And it's from Loso Natural. And I would like to thank you. I love Loso Natural. I watch her channel. I watch her videos all the time. I love her natural eccentricity. Is that how you say it? I love her combos. She gives great content. When I said my box was packed, that's what I meant. Okay, so I'm going to share with you guys everything that Loso Natural got me. And the first thing that I see are these I Envy matte eyelashes. And it says the invisible band. I like that. Because some of the ones I wear, they have the band, and I don't like that, okay? I don't like that. It's super cute. I love these eyelashes. Okay. Oh, y'all, look. She knows me. You know me, girl. You already can tell. She got me some. These are eyeglasses. It looks like shades from Fashion Nova. Ooh, these are cute. Girl, look at here. Let's see. Let me just try them on. Fire. Oh, baby. Girl, and I didn't have the red on to match today. Look at that. Oh, honey. I might have to leave these on. Super cute. I love sunglasses, y'all. Thank you, Lo. Girl, look at you. You already know me. Okay, look. Y'all. The big hoops. Girl, we have to have the big hoops with the big hair. Super cute. And I don't have any silver ones. Ah, look at that. I love opening gifts, y'all. Okay? I love opening gifts. And I did have to take a peek. I ain't gonna lie. I took a peek. But I didn't get all up in there like that. All up in here. Okay. Look at these. This looks like some earrings. Oh, wow. Handmade earrings by Lo. Look at you, girl. With a yarn. Aren't these cute? Oh, my goodness. These are super cute. Super cute. Thank you, girl. I cannot wait to wear these. Since it's got the yarn, I'm going to rock these in the winter. That's going to be my little winter earrings. Oh, yeah, I forgot. She has a card. There's a card in here. Isn't that pretty? Look. I told y'all, this is her. This is her. She's very natural, beautiful, eccentric. Love it. Okay. So cute. So cute. Okay. Oh, y'all. Oh, my goodness. Blush cardigan shower gel. I have been wanting to smell this. I've been wanting to smell this, y'all. I've been hearing about blush cardigan, and I think it came out the same time that Wrapped in Vanilla did, because they kind of have the same packaging. Ooh. Oh, that smells good. Okay, it has sweet raspberry, sugar dipped violet, and warm amber. All right, so I read the back of your card, girl, and I saw where you said this is supposed to be a unique combo. I cannot wait to try this, y'all. So this is what she got me. She got the blush cardigan shower gel, okay? And then she got me Ooh, Secret Wonderland. I've never smelled this. Secret Wonderland body lotion. And this has luscious strawberry, frosted jasmine petals, and white amber. Ooh. Ooh, that smells good. Have y'all smelled this before? Secret Wonderland. Now, I got the other Wonderland, and it don't really smell like this. I got the other one. It's a Wonderland. It's like a Christmas, I think, scent. Ooh, that's pretty. I love that. Secret Wonderland. Oh, I love it. So there's Blush Cardigan and Secret Wonderland. Okay. And Prismatic Stars. Okay, so that's the combo, y'all. Okay, so it has Raspberry Stardust, Mystic Plum, and Cosmic Cashmere. Ooh, girl. Ooh, girl. Oh, I like it. And I didn't even put on the Blush Cardigan, but I got on the Secret Wonderland and the Prismatic Stars. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, guys, so if you have this, honey, that's what I'm talking about. She worked these combos up, honey. She worked them on up. Okay, so that is Prismatic Stars, Blush Cardigan, as well as Secret Wonderland. Super duper pretty. Okay, girl, thanks for my little combo, honey. Y'all know we love smelling good over here, baby. We love a good combo, honey. Absolutely. Y'all, she got so much in here. Okay, so I've got a demi-false lash fuser, a lash curler. And I like this one because the one I have, it's not like, it's kind of curved. I like this one. I'm going to try this one out. Okay, so that's a lash curler. Okay, I see a few samples. This is Stella McCartney sample. Okay. I love a good sample. Love a good sample, honey. Okay, let's see what else we got. Ooh. I got some Jazara's Couture. And this is Candy Love. Alright, this is a body oil. Luxury body oil. Let me smell it. Let me smell it, girl. Okay, so it really doesn't have a smell. It doesn't have a smell. Let me see if I put some on my skin, if it smells. But it's like a nice oil. Y'all know we need these oils on these bases, honey, for these combos to make them last. So, yeah, I can always use a good oil. And this is a natural, let me see, does she have this on the back of the card? This is a natural oil by Jazara's Couture. Okay, so there we go with that. Oh, okay, girl. I love me some Jo Malone. She got me a sample of wood, sage, and sea salt. I've been wanting to smell this. Wood, sage, and sea salt. Nice little sample there. Because I have one. I have the Peony Blush and Suede and love it. Okay. Okay. This is a candle wax. And this is Classy and Fabulous. Okay. Wax milk. Let me smell it. Ooh. That smells so clean. I have a perfume that reminds me of this. It's a dupe of Blanche Bette. And it smells just like this. It smells really good. I love that. By Alt. Okay. Oh, this is Herb in Eden. South African lavender. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's so pretty. It smells good. It's a little natural soap. Oh, my sister makes soap, y'all. I love it when they have the little herbs and stuff in there. Super nice. Super natural. Love that. Okay. Oatmeal and honey. Love a good soap, y'all. Okay. All right, y'all. So let's see what we got. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay. Pink Friday, Nicki Minaj. Is this a perfume oil? This is an oil, a roll-on. Yes. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, I've never had Pink Friday. I've never had Pink Friday, but that's nice. I love that. Okay. Okay, I have been wanting to smell Sweet Diamond Pink Pepper. So that's what she sent me. This must be, let's see here. Let's just spray a little bit. Oh, that's pretty. I love unique fragrances, you guys. And this is what I've been hearing about this one. And the one from Cali. Ooh. That is so pretty. I love the spice. I love pink pepper. I think I like pink pepper because it makes it unique. It makes it stand out. Beautiful. Oh, I love that. Thank you, girl. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so let's see. Ooh. Let's see, what is this? It says Jaffa by Ozarish. Ozarish. I don't know if I'm saying that correct. Let's see what we got. Ooh. We're going to be spraying everything everywhere. Let's smell this. Ooh. Oh, y'all, that's pretty. Oh, my goodness. That is beautiful. Jaffa by, let me show you guys this. If you like Prada Paradox and if you like Armani My Way, it's giving that vibe. Ooh. Oh, I love that. Love that. That is beautiful, honey. Love it, love it. Oh, yeah, I just love opening presents. Oh, look at this. Look at this keychain. Look at that. That is so pretty, girl. I love it. Perfume number 5. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. All right, we got a lippy. Diamond Glow Lip Gloss. That's really pretty. Oh, I love that. I love that. Girl, you packed me out, honey. You packed me out. Oh, what is this? Oh, yoni oil. Okay. Vanilla Cream by Goddess of the Sea. That smells good. It smells like vanilla. I can smell like vanilla and a light mint. Like a light mint to it. That's pretty. Oh, girl, got me a lot of nice little oils, honey. Nice little oils for the skin. Skinning in the summer. Okay, Dr. OG's Apothecary. Okay, this says be who you need it. Be who you need it. I like that. She said something with that. Okay, isn't that nice? Cute. Be who you need it. Okay, so what we got here? Let's open this. Ooh, girl, got me some more glasses, honey. Okay, look at those. Aren't they cute? Okay, girl, you know I'm gonna try them on. You know I'm gonna try them on. I love the detailing. Those are gorgeous. Look at that. Super cute. Let's try them on. Friend, honey, you know my taste, girl. You got me. All right. All right. Ooh. Blender's Delight. Okay. Honey, I love a good beauty blender, girl. That's so pretty. I love the packaging. Oh, look at that. Super duper cute. Oh, I love it. What are these? Are these soap? I think these are cleansers. I think they're like cleansers for your, and I need, girl, I need to be cleaning mine, honey. That is so cute. Let's see what this says. Mini blender cleanser. Yep, solid and juicy berry. And then this one's juicy apple. Cute. So those are cleansers. Those two round things are cleansers. And this is the case that they come in. Super cute. I love that. I love the packaging. That's so nice. So nice. Alright. Oh, I got one more. Oh, y'all. I got two more things. Gucci Bamboo. I have wanted to smell this. It's a sample. Gucci Bamboo. Love it. Love it, love it. I cannot wait to sample that. I love bamboo. I love bamboo, santal. Honey, I think I'm a wood girl. I love the woods, okay? I'm from the woods, so. Oh, y'all. Hydrating satin pillowcase. I love that. I need that to beauty boost. Because I have a couple, but you never can have enough of these. Never can have enough of these. All right, Lo, girl. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I love all of my gifts. I appreciate you. You guys, just make sure you go watch everybody's videos, show some support. And look, we appreciate you as a people, as our family, as our friend. Yeah. So just check us out. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, comment. Y'all, leave me a white heart to let me know you made it all the way through to the end of this video, girl. And I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.